Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So, today I will be continuing my DIY ingredients series where I talk about a lot of different butters and oils. Today I will be talking about black castor oil. So, we carry the organic version of black castor oil on our website. We do sell the 8-ounce size of this wonderful oil. So if you have been using castor oil, which is the regular castor oil, the not the eight, I mean the regular castor oil, the yellowish castor oil, then I would also address a little bit about what it is, and we sell that as a blend in our hair massage oil. So if you want to try that, that is also good. I will be talking about the differences between the regular castor oil and the black castor oil. So definitely stay tuned if you like to learn about different oils and butters. And if you haven't watched the other videos in this podcast or series, definitely check out the playlist, which I will link in the description section for you. And you will find out about a lot of the other exotic oils and the butters that we carry. We carry a lot of different butters and oils, and you would be pleased to find out about that. So, just to go ahead here, first of all, I would introduce myself. If this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Pamela Jacobs. So, I own Ustop Organics. We sell a variety of butters and oils. Actually, we sell about 15 variations of butters: natural butter, shea butter, mango butter, tukuma butter, cooked butter, murmur butter, and a lot of other butters. And I've talked about all these different butters. I've talked about how they're processed, their benefits, how you can get the best out of these butters. So today I will be talking about black castor oil. So just to continue, castor oil is a vegetable oil that is pressed from castor beans. So it is a vegetable oil, and this beans actually contains about 40 to 60% oil. So, yeah, straight away, the regular castor oil, which is the yellowish version, is not roasted, but in order to obtain black castor oil, it is roasted. So, castor oil, the regular version, has been approved by the FDA as a way to treat constipation and stuff like that. So it is actually a natural laxative, but you have to be careful where you're getting your regular castor oil, not the black castor oil. So I'm just trying to differentiate it here. So the regular castor oil, which is yellowish in color, is the one that is approved by the FDA as a treatment for constipation as a natural laxative. So now the beans are actually selected, and then they are roasted in order to obtain the black version of castor oil. So castor oil is very rich in fatty acids. So when I talk about oils that are beneficial for skin, beneficial for hair, then I always want to mention these oils that are high in omega fatty acids. So just because of how rich they are in these fatty acids, they're able to nourish the skin and really moisturize and soften the hair. So 90% of fatty acids that are contained in castor oil are known as reconolites. So oleic acid and linoleic acids are other significant components of the yellowish um, version of castor oil. So the black castor oil, which has become really popular as a hair growth aid, and a lot of people sort of seem to favor it more than the yellowish version of castor oil because they feel it's a more potent version. And it is made by roasting the beans first. So think about roasted coffee beans versus non roasted coffee beans. I don't know if anybody eats non roasted coffee beans, but then in order to get the benefits of the castor oil, a bit more potent benefit. It is roasted, and it gives a darker color and more potent aroma, and actually a higher ash content, which is believed to have some therapeutic benefits. So the ashier the component is, this oil component, the more alkaline it is. So the alkaline nature of castor oil is one of the things that actually makes it very, very good as a skincare product. So It is better for oily and acidic scalps if you're using an alkaline oil on your scalp. So many people actually swear by black castor oil as a growth aid and something that they use to control inflammation on the skin, whereas some people find it a bit too thick and they feel like it breaks them out. It just depends. Before you try castor oil, I would advise you to obviously do a patch test, so, and just to know what works for you. And the two of them are slightly different. So just like I posted a video on here where I made my own pumpkin seed oil where I roasted the pumpkin seeds. Some people process pumpkin seeds without roasting, but then some of the nutrients and the benefits of the oil actually become more available when the seeds are roasted. In the same way, castor beans, when they are roasted, become a bit more potent. That's why some people prefer black castor oil to the regular castor oil. So when it comes to how they are processed, the the yellowish version is processed without roasting. It has a milder scent. It is slightly acidic. So if you are somebody that is already dealing with acidic scalp and really irritated scalp, you may not want to apply it directly onto your scalp. But for the black castor oil, the beans are roasted first before they are ground and boiled to extract the oil. So that makes it dark brown to blackish, and the scent is a bit strong and it has a smoky scent, and the pH level is more alkaline due to the ash from the roasting. So it is advised to use it more for scalps that are acidic to help balance the pH on your scalp and also to calm irritation, and it is known to promote healthy hair, stronger hair, and actually strengthens the hair. So people feel like if you're looking for a product that is more potent, maybe try the black castor oil. And if you're looking to use it more for your skin, then maybe the yellowish version will be good. So many people actually use the yellowish version to obtain some gastro benefits. I'm not a gastroenterologist, so I cannot tell you anything about that, but some people actually feel that it has some benefits when applied to the belly button, that it's able to have some impacts on the GI tract. And many people also use it when they're pregnant in order to avoid stretch marks and things like that. So that is not a research that I've done. When it comes to internal use, I mostly skincare, hair care. I That's my brand, and I'm not gonna tell you what to use internally and what not to use internally. So my own take is that I really like to use Jamaican black castor oil or just regular black castor oil. Well, we sell the organic version of black castor oil, and it's known to really strengthen the hair. So if you're looking to strengthen your hair, definitely try black castor oil. So I hope that answers some of the questions. So when it comes to black castor oil, there's several variations. There's a Haitian version, there's a Jamaican version, I don't know, but all these different versions, they use black castor beans. So that's what they share in common. So the way they are processed might be a bit different. And if you want a more organic, pure version, then that's we sell the 8-ounce size on our website. You can always grab it and mix it with other oils that you like for your hair. And if you're looking to use the yellowish version, which is the unroasted castor beans variation, then definitely grab our hair massage oil, or I believe it's our face and body oil, where we blend it with other oils. Because some of the problems people have with castor oil is the fact that it's just too thick to use on its own. So if it's something that you wanting to still get the benefits but not just pure castor oil, because it's just too thick, it's almost unspreadable, you can incorporate it into butters that are lighter, and that way you can get some of the benefits, and you can incorporate it with lighter oils just to make it a little less viscous and make it more available to use and make it more spreadable on the skin and on the hair. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if there's any question, any other question that you have, Obviously, I haven't covered everything about castor oil, but if there's any question that you have, maybe I could address that in a subsequent video. And I hope you're enjoying your fall. It's fall season out there, and I just wish you a wonderful fall. Have a great day and stay blessed. Bye.